After unpacking, first lift the cargo hopper vertically from the diagonal. Reach carefully under the front of the cabin. The truck is proposed through two stress points: the illustrated silver base plate and the strap at the rear of the vehicle. Loosen the screws of this transportation fixing bracket. Secure the jib per its installation method on this manual page. Take out the two fuel tank caps and keep full back up. Fill 50 milliliters of number 46 hydraulic oil. Open this toolbox. Now take out the main battery. Please fully charge the battery when you get it. Avoid over discharging. Carefully insert the battery in the direction shown in the figure. Open the door on the other side of the battery compartment. Finally, connect the power cord. Press on the main power switch. This probe can adjust the cooling fan according to the oil temperature. Insert the temperature control probe into the deep part of the oil tank. Then you can see the oil temperature monitor is on. Here is the oil pump and rotation motor ESC switches. Press on the truck motor ESC switch here. Open the decorative cover on the main arm. Install the lithium battery for the winch and spotlights. Turn on the switch. When the indicator light changes from fast flashing to slow flashing, it means the pairing is successful. Before starting to learn how to operate the truck and crane, first take out the remote control operation overview. Switch between crane and truck operation modes via this button. This knob is for remotely adjusting the screen brightness. After turning on the remote control and switching to truck control mode, rotate right and then return to the center to start the engine. Turning left is the sound of the horn. This rotation is the volume adjustment for all sound simulations. Push the left joystick to the left to engage the forward gear. Upward is linear acceleration, downward is deceleration. Shifting to the right engages the reverse gear. The upper, middle, and lower gears of this lever correspond to high, medium, and low speed gears respectively. Holding this lever down locks the differential lock. The left and right movements of the right joystick control the steering of the first, second, and fifth axis respectively. Hold down this key is the hazard warning light switch. Quickly switch down and then back to the middle once to change the basic headlight mode. This button controls the rotating warning light on the ceiling. This button controls the LED light on the sun visor. Pressing this key down switches the mode of the front flashing light group. Pressing upward toggles between turning on the overhead headlight and switching the internal and external logo lights. The lever on the left controls the horizontal extension and retraction of all outriggers. Charger for the feet light module. Middle to forward charging, side for storing. Take out the fully charged mini battery. Insert the front feet battery in the demonstrated direction. Flip the foot down and secure via plug removal and insertion as shown. The lamp module is controlled by the magnetic switches at these two places. Place the base and pads properly. Insert the rear feet battery in the demonstrated direction. This right lever up to retract, down for elongation of all 5 feet. A common habit is to retract the middle arm with pull down the right joystick first each time the crane is deployed. Pull up the left joystick to rise the big arm, pull dono for lower. Pull up the right joystick to rise the middle arm, pull donaby for lower. Pull right the left joystick to rise the small arm, pull left for lower. Right joystick, left-right controls, boom, counterclockwise, clockwise, rotation respectively. Pressing these two keys down extends back to middle stops. Up to retracts the fly jib and main arm. This key switch on the spotlight of the main arm. This knob controls the winch. Turn right to unwind the winch cable, turn left to rewind it. When paying out the wire, hold the cable tightly by hand to prevent the motor from tangling randomly. Pass through the two pulleys in turn and then install the small hook.